My name is Paul de Vet, and some years back I started to try and work out how I could make my extensive privilege a blessing to others, and how I could use my kind of talents and my abilities and my experience, and as I said, my privilege, to make a difference to others. And the skill set that I have is in teaching maths. It's kind of been honed over a long period of time. The way we do this is through SIMI. SIMI stands for the Shaya Izibalo Maths Institute. We believe at SIMI that maths makes sense. Izibalo ziqaqeke injalo. There's no word for mathematics in isiZulu, the province in which SIMI was started and currently operates. And so Shaya Izibalo means to hit the numbers. One of our big audacious goals, in fact our big audacious goal, is to actually reduce poverty in South Africa by creating greater opportunities for our youth, and the way in which we are trying to tackle that particular problem is by equipping them with decent mathematical skills.
Greetings, my name is Tandelo Mdlandose. What I would like to share today is just that the SIMI program really helped me to have the better understanding of concepts. And another thing, the SIMI program helped me to improve my time management. It's helped me a lot because I was able to get those percentages that I didn't get in the lower grades. The SIMI program I started at grade 10 and I finished it at grade 12 last year, 2024. So it helped me to improve my maths percentage. Then I was accepted in pilot school and now I'm going to be a pilot. Thank you.
We really believe that maths opens doors. So one of the things that we do, and our sort of modus operandi this year, is to create workbooks. They write in workbooks, so the students actually write in the book themselves. The write-in workbook is advantageous for a number of reasons. One is that it's efficient, it saves time. Where a student needs to draw a graph, the axes are provided, and they're not writing down the question from a textbook onto a piece of paper. Everything is in one place. There's also an engagement thing, and engagement is the lifeblood of learning. Tragically, some of the schools that we work with don't even have a teacher for mathematics for certain grades. What we've done to kind of counter this is recording videos for every single page of the workbook, right through the term, right through the year. And that will allow schools who don't have a maths teacher to actually show the videos to the students. In class time, the videos are interactive in the sense that we ask the learners to pause the video, try the examples, and then to let it play again and see how they did. One of the big advantages with video, obviously, is the ability to watch it a second time, a third time, even a fourth time. Most of the learners that we're working with are second language English speakers. So the very first time they get taught any maths, oftentimes they're just trying to decode the language and convert it into their own mother tongue. So the ability to watch it a second time and a third time is a real game changer. So a lot of people will say, well, is SIMI working with students or with teachers? And the answer is actually with both.
Hello, my name is Mr. Zimamba Brighton. I'm a teacher at MESN Secondary School. I teach grade 8 and grade 12 maths. The resources are fantastic. The workbooks, they keep our learners at pace. Grade 12, they also provide us with very good detailed workbooks that are aligned with the KEBS documents. Before SIMI, we were getting 30s, 40s. I'm talking about Matric pass rates. But for the past few years, when we started working with SIMI, we have increased our pass rate to 70s. So it means they are getting the opportunity to be enrolled into the careers that they want to pursue after Matric.
This year we're engaged in a pilot with about 12 schools at a grade 8 level with about 1,400 learners in total. And then we've got about 24 schools with grade 12s, but only 1,000 grade 12s across those 24 schools. And the reason being is that the numbers diminish significantly because of learners dropping out of school completely or dropping to maths literacy. But our plan and our desire is to go to scale. In 2026, we plan to have at least 10,000 of each in grade 8 and 12, and we will then be rolling out the other high school grades as well. While we've managed to attract some funding, The problem is enormous. The number of learners is enormous, and obviously the cost of reproducing these workbooks is enormous as well. So we're continually on the sort of search for more funders, people who share our vision, people who love South Africa like we do, people who really want to empower our youth, people who believe in the youth, and people who have a bold vision which matches ours. So if you're interested in coming on board and helping us go to scale even more rapidly, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.